guys, welcome back. And today is also a day for the golden eagle. There is the chicks. Yes, it's always white in the nest with the mother, I don't know, or maybe the father. Anyway, there is only one parent in the nest with the chicks, and I'm waiting for the other. Maybe it's going around for a prey, of course, as always. They need to feed the chicks, and they need to eat themselves. So far the situation is pretty calm, quiet. Unfortunately, there are some cars passing in the road. Yes, below the cliff. So maybe in the audio recording, the environment audio recording, you will hear the sound of the cars. Anyway, it doesn't matter because I also recorded some beautiful birds' voices. Yes, fantastic. Today it doesn't look like windy, so I think the photo blind will be still. Yes, I won't have to take the photo blind for not being moved by the wind. But okay, I was saying something about this couple of golden eagle. Now, this couple of golden eagle is quite well known from the community of wildlife photographer. Yeah, yes, because it's near a small village in Sardinia. But despite this fact, it's not so easy to photograph them because the cliff it's pretty inaccessible, so you can't go near the nest for having a better view, and your only chance is to get some picture from far using the hill in front of the cliff. And of course I'm pretty far, maybe 200 or more meters far, and for this reason, about this couple of eagles, it's difficult to find on the net good pictures. So it's more challenging getting good images from here. Another thing to know is this one is the second couple. This is the second couple of golden eagle of this area. I mean the west pass of the north of Sardinia, because I don't know if there are maybe on the north central part of the Sardinia there are other couple, but I'm not sure. For sure, I know only these two couple. But the first one, more near of my city, it's pretty impossible because the position is awkward, and I think it's useless going there. There are a lot of cars passing below the cliff where they made the nest, and the area it's pretty vast. It's huge. So understanding where they go to for hunting, it's difficult. This one it's more easy, and it's for this reason that I come in here for studying and admiring the golden eagle. I hope you appreciate this effort, because also today I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning for coming here when it was still night. And nothing. Now it's time to quit talking and wait for the golden eagle. Yes. the cliff there aren't only the eagle feeding their chicks, but there are the jackdaws and many other birds. But they have made the nest, yes. Really, really wonderful. And on the camera, I've changed the method as position instead of using the matrix or Sony call it multiple exposition. Now I'm using the spot, the standard spot, because the nest is in the shade. So if I had used the standard method, or the multiple method or matrix method, I would have had a worse exposition of the image. Instead of, in this case, I got the shades, I got better shades. Of course, the highlights are a little bit burnt. In this situation, it doesn't matter so much, because I'm just only recording films, clips for monitoring the situation. The other parameters are almost the same, so auto ISO up to 6400 value, and with a minimum shutter speed of 1 to 2000. Yes, and the diaphragm is f9, and I'm using the aperture priority mode. No sign about the other eagle. There is only one so far. So it's only a patient game now. Just wait, and wait. one of them inside. Wow, wonderful. So, two kind of raptor in the same cliff. The common kestrel and the golden eagle. Amazing. Yeah, it's coming the other adult. Maybe no. Nature is always beautiful, always fascinating, also with small animal like this nice lizard, yes. And it's always a pleasure to stay in nature, yes, because you never know what can happen and what you can find. But I'm here for the eagle. I hope so much to catch them. Are on the rocks on the top part of the cliff. are. Now, today I've got the spotting scope because I want to check better the nest. So now I'm going to watch something to watch for a while. Okay guys, in the nest, yes, in the nest there is one of the two adults with a prey. I don't know, I don't think it's a fox because it's quite small, but it looks like a rabbit maybe, and it's feeding the chicks, yes. I don't know, but maybe that prey in the nest is it's an hedgehog. Yes. The shape, so, like that, it's pretty similar. The color, it's brown. Yes. using the smartphone connected to the spotting scope. The video is not clear, I know, but it's better than nothing because with all my stuff I can't achieve a better result. But I would say that it's remarkable how we can magnify the image with a smartphone much more than the optical zoom of the spotting scope. The chicks is sleeping and the parent is taking care of it. It's wonderful, yes. Okay, I think it's better to stop recording. Chicks is sleeping beside the mom. Unfortunately, the air turbulence is ruining the image, the spotting scope, due to the magnification, too high magnification. And it's the same for the camera, yes. When it's so hot, the temperature are so high, the sun warm the hair, so making the hair moving, and it's not so good for image sharpness. Yes. Wow. The cheeks is getting bigger. And the body is getting brown. The wings are almost brown. But the belly, the chest, the head, and the legs are still white. Wow, super cool. And there is one of the adults on the top part of the cliff. Yes. Marvelous. Fantastic. Now it's on another page that I can't follow because it's on the right side of the photo blind. One of the two adult, and it's eating something I can't understand what. Even watching with the spotting scope, it's hard to understand because it's low the prey I don't know. It's eating the adult. It's eating the prey. It moved the prey on the outside the nest, and now it's eating it. Really interesting. I think it's not a fresh prey because it was only a rest apart. And maybe the chicks wasn't hungry. Yes, unbelievable. And for sure, the golden eagle is one of the most iconic birds of prey, at least here in Italy. It's a dream for many photographers, wildlife photographers. And also for me. A crow, yes. Maybe it's a ring with the other golden eagle. I don't know. It's getting hotter. Despite the wind, I think also today will be hot. And maybe tomorrow I can go to the beach. I don't know. Why not? Anyway, the golden eagle, the adult, is still in the top part of the cliff. It's 8 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock, and maybe it's still having a rest, or maybe it's waiting for the best temperature for flying. Even though I saw many times flying more earlier, yes, for example at 6 o'clock in the morning. Of course, when the air is hot, it's easier for them to fly. So maybe it's waiting. It's changed position. Yes, maybe it's ready to fly. blind in summer is the temperature. Inside it's boiling. Also the eagle is having hot. Indeed it has the big open, yeah. Unbelievable. Here the summer is scorching. Usually it's scorching. Okay guys, I had to change. I get out of the photo blind because it was really too hot. So nothing, I'm protected by this bush. Oh, it's a small tree, I don't know. Maybe it's a fruit because there are the small fruit still green. And anyway, and it's quite early, and I still have to wait, and I'm still waiting because I didn't see the other adult. There is only, I think, the female in the nest. A lizard. The lizard, yes, over there. But it's better to stay focused on the eagle. Adult is out of the nest, and there is the common kestrel. That is, yes, it's annoying the golden eagle. Anyway, I'm a bit worried for the other adult. Yes, I didn't see it. For all time, since I've come here. Okay. The golden eagle. Okay. First of all, the male or the other adult came. So the one that was in the nest fly away with him or with her. I don't know. It's complicated. It's difficult to talk about an animal when it's male or female in English. Yes. But I was saying, yes, they were flying all together on that part of the hill, and I tried to follow them for a while, but after they gone behind the hill, so I couldn't see them again. So the chicks, it's alone now, and I don't know if stay still here waiting for the eagles. Today I haven't been so lucky because they stayed always really far, almost always in the nest. So I didn't take any picture of the eagle. Yes, someone in the nest, but nothing special. I think next week the chicks will be almost all brown, so with the new theaters. But I think it's still early for the fledge, yes, for the first fly. So maybe I can wait not to the next, but the next again weekend in order to check the situation. Maybe I'll be more lucky. I don't know. So nothing. I wanted to thank you for watching and for staying with me here. And nothing. And see you next time. Bye bye.
Living this journey was exciting and fulfilling. Seeing eagles flying around me was priceless, and the chick in the nest was simply awesome. I never felt so close to nature like in these days, unique moments that will always reign in my mind, in my heart, and that I hope to have sent you all this emotion. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for being here with me, and thanks for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider to do it. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to allow the notification bell in order to not lose every my new video. Bye bye.